Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding, riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real. I call for you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light your fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling, maybe we're invisible at last, fueling every engine, power is descending, maybe we're invisible. I've been flying off the ceiling, and maybe we're invisible.
Hey, looky here. We're packed and ready to go. It is travel day home. And what we like to do is move all our luggage towards the door so we can check the once over and make sure nothing's left behind. Right, right, Kelly?
Right.
So, Kelly's still got some stuff over here, but we'll get it all done. And then we're gonna call us a lift and get our butts to the aeropuerto. And then we're gonna go home. How you feeling today?
I feel good.
How you feeling? How's your feet?
I mean, I'm like, I guess I'm a little sad, but not.
And your stress fracture is doing well?
Stress fracture.
What about your leaky spine? Your leaky spine doing better today?
It is.
Okay, good. So everybody's stress fractures and leaky spines are doing well. And it's time to go. See you at the airport. We'll see you at the airport.
Did we show them our view?
I don't think we showed you our view from the balcony, but I'm going to show you your view from the balcony right now. First off, here's the pool. That's one of the little garden pools. And look over there. Guess what that is? That is Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. Right there. Woohoo! So you can see it. California Adventure. Awesome. I really can't say enough about the manager, Rick, up here at the Howard Johnson. Because we had like a check-in snafu and the man took care of it. He handled it. And he did good. Yeah, it was a snafu.
Yeah.
But anyway.
So thanks, Rick.
Thanks, Rick. And this room was great. Love this room.
Yeah, the beds were super comfortable.
And you want to know what I noticed? You couldn't hear anything.
No.
And this,
I mean, we are right across from the elevator.
And this morning you heard a few kids.
A little bit, not much.
But no, it was like nothing through the walls. It was like a quiet.
Yeah, and I like the grounds and everything around. My only complaint is at the end of the night when your feet hurt, it's a bit of a walk.
It's a bit of a trek.
I mean, it's what, 10 minutes? Which isn't heinous.
It's not bad, but when you're on the other end of Disney or downtown Disney, it makes it a little longer because we had dinner at Splitsville and that added another 10 minutes to our walk.
I'm only going to be super picky, that's my only
That's the only thing.
Otherwise, it's been great. The rooms are spacious. Bathroom's great. 2 sinks, plenty of counter space.
The staff is amazing.
Staff's amazing.
So, if you're ever thinking about Howard Johnson,
don't hesitate.
Don't hesitate. Do it.
Yeah.
It's good. You get a good deal, do it. Alright, anyway, that's my spiel for Howard Johnson. Once again, thanks, Rick. I know you won't see this, but if you do. Anyway, we'll talk to you later, and we'll see you when we get to the airport, okay?
I was going to show you really quickly the check-in for the Howard Johnson. This is the check-in building right here. That is the Matterhorn and the monorail right there, which is really cool.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, there's plenty of parking. It's a really pretty, like, landscaped, very safe resort. I felt super safe here.
Oh yeah, it's walled, it's gated.
Yeah, quiet.
It's totally quiet.
Yeah, it was awesome.
It's like if you don't belong here, you're not gonna be here.
And that's the water park area right there. We're sitting at the Long Beach Airport, and we're at Totem Pole now. I just want to tell you like how cool this airport is. It's like very chill. It's like 11 gates long, but you can see the planes. They have this, like gates 5 through 11 are that way. Gates 1 through 4 are that way. But look, you can just sit here and look at all the planes. So this is an open air like courtyard here. But look, you can see all the planes just lined up out there. And you have to walk like up the little rampy thing to get on the plane, which is really cool. It's nice to be able to sit outside while you wait for your plane. Right, Kaya?
I lost 2 sneezes in a row.
Dang, you should be doing that.
Signs overhead, like the floor lead to an exit. If an evacuation is necessary, follow fire attendant maps and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use life vest under your seat. Use a long use hold to do so. Pull the red strap over the container, remove the pouch, remove the vest from the pouch, and show the safety information card. Place the vest over your head. Pull the red strap over the container, remove the pouch, remove the vest from the pouch, and show the safety information card. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist. Buckle it in front, pull it tight. Once up tight, pull down on that red strap to inflate your vest and manually inflate your shoulder.